I'm here for another video. So I'm gonna show you all my pets today. There is the David tortoises. There is Lucky in the back. You see Lucky there is blue. There's a Kanya. And so we're going in the yard now. We're going in the yard. Have all the ponds and everything. Have our little garden. We have loads of mangoes from the mango trees. We have 2 jolly trees. We have this tree. And we have another jolly down there. Loads of mangoes every day. Loads of mangoes. I keep checking up. So we're going to the fighter pond. I have a fighter pond. Let's see if I find a little baby to swim out. But they're in there, I don't know. I just playing around with them. We have a guppy pond. We have all my guppies. And then, you see all of them? There's my goldfish. Let's go to my other fighter pond. You have the budgies in there. And you can zoom in and show you that fly rug. You see? Look at that fly rug. Look at them. Okay, so I'll zoom out now. And now, sorry. Let me go by my other fighter pond. There you go, there's the baby fighters. So this is going to end up the video. Bye. Actually, no, wait, sorry. I just want to give you, if I check up on the big tortoises. I know I haven't shown you the big tortoises in a long time, actually. So let me give you all a little check up on them. If you saw in my dad's channel, he harvested all the broccolis. And now we're going to root them up. Let's take a few treats for them, actually. I'll take a few treats. Perfect. Got a handful of treats for them. Look. Got a handful of treats. Sorry. I know my hand was blocking. Sorry. I have to use one hand, so I might hold the camera kind of shaky. Oh, look, 2 mating right now. You hear them? That's what they make when they mating. So, because we actually don't want them to be, we actually don't want no females laying eggs yet, because we have no problem with raising the babies when they hatch. So, I'm sorry, I have to stop you all from mating. Yes, perfect. So yeah, you eat. What's this? Focus. There you go. You got one. Hey, Megalodon, you didn't want some? Look, get some. Ow, this one eating my foot. Hey, look, Megalodon. There's one. He got his, yes. You got yourself. Now, you have to eat this. You're about there. Let's see who eats this one. Hey, I just remembered. The girl had 2 each already. So let him get his share. Look at your share. So not everybody eating. So I might actually get a video here for you. This is the end of the video. Bye. Oh my gosh, hi guys. I'm sitting down. Bye.